Hello everyone, this is Srikanth. Coming to LeetCode problems, we have very interesting problems as well as easy problem also. So in that LeetCode, I have now one simple problem, that is +1. If you observe the title +1, +1 means any number +1, that is wrong. Suppose A we have some integer and B suppose +1, B is equal to 1, then we can add with A plus B means that is wrong. So here we have some different logic. So coming to this LeetCode, in that LeetCode we have problem number 66. Problem number 66. That 66 problem is +1. Okay, we will discuss what is the +1 and what is your inputs, how many conditions we have, and what is the best logic using Python code. So coming to problem statement, again here we have given integer array. So here we have one particular array, not integer. So not one particular digit, not particular number. So here we have one list array. In that array we need to add with the last. So in that array, last digit, 8th digit need to add +1. So if suppose in my list I have 1, 2, 3, in that last digit which we have, we need to add +1. So we have 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 written as a list, not again number. So see this, the condition is, the problem statement is very simple. The condition is we have the array. In that array we have the integers. So in that integers, last one, the last one, which digit we have, we need to add the +1 for the particular digit. Now any conditions we have? Yes, we have again one more condition, the digit. So which suppose, if suppose my numbers 1, 2, 9, right? If suppose +1 for this particular digit, that means 1, 2, 10, right? No, that is wrong. That is wrong. So he given the one more condition, the particular which each digit need only one digit. So any integers. So in the particular array we have integers are only single digit. That means we have 129 plus 1. That means what is your answer? 130 is your answer. So we need to return the list 1, 3, 0. 1, 3, 0. This is your output. So not 1, 2, 10. See, question is simple title, that is +1. Then we'll think about digit. +1 means it's very simple. But coming to problem statement, he given one particular array. In that array, we have different integers. And the integer also single digit, not multiple digits. All are like ones. Then in the particular digit, we need to add last digit as a particular number +1. So if we add, if suppose we have some different examples, check it here. If suppose I have 199, then +1 means, in general +1 means we have 200, right? Now +1 for this particular digit, that means 1 is carry, 0 is your replacing value. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is carry, 0 is for replacing value. Again 1 and 1, 2. So this is your output. So in general, using C and Java means we need to follow these steps. Depending upon the carries, and you need to travel last next to one by one. Then again, if suppose, one more example. My list is only one digit. Then what about your list? Output list is 1, 0. See this. In previous case, we have only one. Length of this input is 1, but output of length is 2. So we can't say like our particular input size and output size both are equal. Remember that. And coming to C and Java, we need to travel step by step from last digit to first digit, and you can increase one more also. Everything added into previous. So if suppose I have 1, so 99. 99 means we given 9, 9. right? He gave 9 comma 9. I need to add plus 1. Plus 1 means 9. 9 means I need to add the particular number. 9 plus 1, 10. So carry equal to 1. Then carry equal to 1. Then your value is 0. Add it into list. Then again we have one more value. That is 9. 9 plus carry. Again 0. Again 0 means 10. 10 means again carry equal to 1. And you are added 0. Again we have, if suppose carry is there means the carry which value we have. Here there is no values, but carry we have the values. Where the values means which carry we have, we need to add into my list. So this is reverse way we need to append, reverse way we need to travel. That is basic in C and Python, C and Java. Coming to Python we have different keywords. You can do any different magics also. Okay, so your aim is what? Your aim is 1, 2, 3 or like any numbers list need to convert into integer or digit. It's very simple. If suppose I have 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3, then if you convert this total number, like list numbers as a digit, like it as a number, like 123. If suppose I have 1 comma 2 comma 3, if I convert into 123 plus 1 is very simple. Then again, so we have the answer is 124. Again you can convert into list as 124. See this, it's very simple. Suppose in previous case, which examples we have, 99 is your input, 9 comma 9, not 99, 9 comma 9 is your input, 0th index and 1th index. Will travel the list and convert this number into 99 plus 1. Then again we have the total value is 100. This 100 need to convert into list to 1 comma 0 comma 0. This is your output. So what are your steps? First steps is list to digit, that is your first step. Again digit to add plus 1, that is second mandatory. Then again which number we have, when you convert into list, this is third step. So if you convert these 3 steps, game is over. Your problem statement is totally clear. Okay, we'll do the step by step, and in ideal we do this process step by step. Now if suppose I want to write this particular program in class means, using class means, so class, any name. So I have started my class. Then I want to write the method. So suppose my method name is, suppose function is my method name. How many parameters are required? So coming to that, so check your input. So coming to check your input, I have input is, suppose my digits. My digits is 1 comma 2 comma 3. If suppose I want to write 9 also, suppose 129, I need answer is 130. So I'm calling the function. So I need to call the function. So I'm a function in class. So first create object. So I created an object. So just write same name. Don't write another names. Done. Then we need to call the particular function. Function name is fun. So the fun in this particular object. So fun with digit. So I started my calling. So I want print directly. I don't bother about that. I want print directly. Which returns we have, I want print directly. Done. Now this function is having how many parameters? List. Suppose same digit I have. So I want travel with digit. Done. So this is my function started. Then what is your first step? So digit, that means list to convert into particular number. Suppose convert into number means any logics we have. Yes, we have the logic. Simple logic, guys. Simple means it's very simple and very useful logic. It's very useful. Like in different program you can use like different ways. So here the formula is n equals 0 starting my number n equals 0. Then you can have a small formula. What is the formula? N will be updated to what? N into 10 plus your which values we have. Suppose which I we have will travel for particular value. So I means in the list which values we have, we need to add one by one. Suppose n equals 0, starting n value equal to 0. Now we'll start with 1. So n equal to 0, but from the list which values we have, 1 starting, right? Then 2, then 9. These are the one by one values. N equal to 0, then this is I value. Then what is your formula? N will be updated into n equal 0 into 10 plus your I equal to 1. So what is your answer? 0 into 10, 0 plus 1, that is 1. Next n equal to, again same loop repeat, n will be updated into 0 to 1. So n equal to 1 into 10 plus 1. What is your answer? 1 into 10, 10. Sorry, your I equal to, not 1, 2. So 1 into 10, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 is your answer. N will be updated into 12. Then n equal to third case 9. So 12 into 10 plus 9. So these are your list numbers step by step. Using for loop, we will get the list numbers one by one and add into the same formula. So 9 means 129 is your n value. Now using this logic, I will get this particular 129. We'll check it now. So what is your aim? So we need to consider starting n equal to 0. I started with n equal 0. Then start for loop. I in digits. So we have the digit one by one value from the list which value we have. We will get the one by one. If suppose my formula will be updated to n into 10 plus your I values one by one. If you want to print, if you want to return your n value and cross check it. Yes, guys, here when you try it with the self, last time also I discussed about this. When you try it with self, so we have 129, right? So we have list is 1 comma 2 comma 9. We convert it into 129. Done. Your aim is we have the digit now. If suppose plus 1 means yes, we have 130, but it's a digit. But again, we need to convert into what? We need to convert into again list. See, previous case we have the list. We are converting into digit. Our aim is plus 1. Plus 1 also is done, but that is not your particular answer. Your integer. Return type is not integer. Your return type is a list. Then do the some logic. What is that logic? If suppose my n will be traveled one by one. So can I travel? If suppose for I in num n, which num n we have, suppose I would return your I. It's possible. Just check it now. Any errors? Yes, we have errors. It's not possible to travel digits. So then what I do? So to avoid this error, so just convert that number into string. That's it. Now just check it now. Yes, we have 1. So I am writing only 1. So I am starting one by one. So now what is the aim? What is your aim? Suppose you want to print. Yes, print it and cross check it once. We are getting or not. Yes, we are getting 1 comma 3 comma 0. So we have 130 is there your input. Input is so number 2 I am having 1 comma 3. But we need to return the list. List means I need to consider empty list. This is my empty list. So your aim is just append. So L dot append your particular I values. Then also we have any errors? Just check it now. Just return the list and cross check it. Return the list and cross check it. Yes, we have 130, but those 130s are strings. Those are the characters. Then again, I need to append that values, I values as a integer. So we have the 1 comma 3 comma 0, but those are the strings. Then we need to convert into integer. So which are appending those I values. Now check it. Yes, 130. So step by step. Just check it now, step by step. Now first is what is your aim? So your aim is I'm considering n value is a 0. Done. Then using this logic, which logic we have, this formula, I'm converting list integers. Remember this, list integers to number. So list integers to numbers were converted. So this is my n value. After that n, so I added plus 1, which our aim is actually, our problem statement is plus 1. So I done with plus 1. So plus 1 is done. Then after that I will travel the digit, means it's not possible. Then I convert into string one by one. So we have, suppose 129 plus 1 means 130. Then I can't cover 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. So I convert into string. Then I can travel 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. Then using this logic, which logic we have, using this logic we can travel now. We can travel now one by one. So starting 1, then 3, then 0. I have 1, 3, 0. But these are the strings. So then I converted into integer and append into my list. The while list means I need to return my output as a list. Input also list, output also list. So same logic I done with the list. List is done, list is returned. So appended those integer values into list and return the list. So this is about plus 1. So this is about your particular program plus 1. Done. Any numbers, you can consider any numbers. If suppose I have 9999, 9 comma 9 comma 9, just check it now. We have 1 comma 0 0 0. So this is about 1 plus 1 problem. Done. I think problem is very clear. If you have any small different ideas, just comment me and we'll discuss about that problem again with that particular which logic we have. And this is a very simple one using Python. It's very simple logic. I think it's very clear. For if you watch the full video, it's very clear. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to comment me and subscribe my channel as well as IRE channel.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.